UGC NET aspirants, you are waiting for your examination date of December 2020 cycle, which had to be conducted in May, starting from May 2nd to May 17th. Uh, by that time, it had to end. But due to a COVID pandemic, it has been postponed. Only one, the best thing which has been done is that they have given you the chance to fulfill the application form. You have completed all those process, and they have committed, UGC NTA have committed to you that 15 days prior of your examination they will inform you. Now let us analyze the activities of NTA, where they are engaged themselves. Basically, just a few days back, they have declared the result of JEE Mains third attempt 2021. After that, they are going to invite the application for JEE Mains fourth attempt also. The examination date already they have announced for that, and that will be conducted starting from August 26, and it will end up to September 2. So far as NEET UG 2021 is concerned, they have already announced their examination date also, which they have to conduct in a single day, that is 12th September. And their application form has been invited. Their window opening is going to end now, and immediately after that they are busy. They will be busy in conducting the examinations of JEE fourth attempt, which will end, as I told you, by September 2. And by 12th September, they have to conduct the examination of NEET UG 2021. After that, they will send the results of JEE and NEET UG 2021 to the respective departments, which will be doing counseling for both the examinations. Then only after that they will be free to think about that, to think about you, in fact, because your examination they have to conduct in complete safety, with a complete safety situation of COVID-19, because it will be in a deferred way and it will take 15 days, because you see, May 2nd it had to start, and by May 17 it had to end, and lot of subjects are also there. Under this situation, since COVID has not ended, COVID is still going on, so they have to increase the number of centers also where they can organize your examinations in a complete safety measures and protocols of COVID-19, so that nobody can be affected with badly with the adverse situation of COVID-19. So they cannot take any chance for that. So that is a clear fact, crystal clear thing. So you can imagine, since by 15th of September they will be free, you can expect your notification, examination date notification, by in between 15th September to 20th September, so that in a earliest way they can conduct your examination in the first week of October. That is the starting date I am telling you, the starting week of October, I am telling you, first week of October, and it will be in a deferred way, as I told you, up to 15 days. So you can plan accordingly, and you can formulate your study plan like that. If you are liking my video, please subscribe it, share it and like it. so that other aspirants also must be benefited, and I can update you with latest informations. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Best of luck for your examination. Have a nice day.